Welcome to our channel How Now Living, where we explore the wonderful world of flowers.
Aí.
In today's video, we'll be taking a closer look at a general exhibition of flowers. Flower exhibitions are a great way to see a wide variety of flowers in one place. They are also a fantastic opportunity to learn about the different types of flowers, their characteristics and their uses. Let's start with the rose, one of the most popular flowers in the world. Roses come in a variety of colors and sizes, each with its own unique meaning. For example, red roses symbolize love and passion, while yellow roses represent friendship. Next, we have the tulip, a flower that is known for its vibrant colors and simple, elegant shape. Tulips are native to Turkey and were first introduced to Europe in the 16th century. Today, they are a popular flower in many parts of the world. And who doesn't love a sunflower? These beautiful flowers are native to North and South America and are known for their bright yellow petals and dark centers. Sunflowers are often associated with happiness and optimism. There is no doubt to claim that this is the real world of heaven. Many people have arrived to see the beauty of these worlds. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about these beautiful plants. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this one. Until next time, keep blooming.